Yeah, yeah. The world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a wall till it break. She hate it when I call and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting. Yeah, I think I know it all, but I don't. Why you always at the mall when you're broke?
Today's actually my birthday. I celebrated it yesterday because my dad is sleeping today. He actually left right now to DC. He was invited to like assist with something, so that's why he's going to DC. So today's my birthday. I'm 15. It feels really weird actually because 15 is such a, I don't know for you guys, but for me, like 14 seemed a very young number, like a very young number, but 15 is kind of, you know, it's just a little different. And the fact that in a year I'm going to be 16 is even more crazy because I got to achieve my goals that I wanted by 16. So time, it feels like there's no time left. But we'll find out soon.
I'm building up a wall till it break, till it break, till it break, till it break.
There is no way.
Hate it when I call and it's late, and it's late, and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting, waiting.
It's literally 6 o'clock and it's gonna snow till around 2. That's the natural snow.
Yeah, got a bad attitude, playing till I'm out of moves. No need for shame, I get more peace at slow speeds. Go beat the game, young control freak, it's cold in my veins. I'm below freezing, snow season. They know that I sold my space. Don't wanna grow old, so I
the entire road is covered.
She say that I glow below the waist, and the stroke is just so PGA. All I got is a little bit of space.
It's white birthday, baby.
Tomorrow may be right around the corner, but I swear it's gonna be worth it if I make it. Wait,
That is
there's somewhere above you keep reaching up. That's really all it takes.
That's exactly what I want.
We don't need nothing but today.
That's like 2 inches
The world is so small till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't. I'm building up a wall till it break, till it break, till it break, till it break.
See when I'm rich.
She hate it when I call and it's late, and it's late, and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting.
Every single winter in Switzerland. And look at the rest, bro. Alright, guys. We're about to clean some snow outside.
Yeah.
Hey, this is my fit.
10, I get it wrong.
And let's
That's why
go.
I wrote this song. Tell myself
It's
to
a
hold on.
pretty heavy amount.
I can feel my fingers slipping in a motherfucking instant. I'll be gone.
Pretty
Do
good.
you want it all if it's all mediocre? Staring at the wall and the wall full of posters.
It's pretty cold out there.
Dreams, who I
Oh
wanna
my
be.
goodness. It's good morning.
I guess you gotta see
Actually, no,
it
it's
to
not the
believe.
morning. It's 3 p.m.
Oh, I've been a fool, but it's cool. That's what
Today
human
is the
beings
day
do.
after
Keep your eyes
my
to the
birthday, so
sky,
I'm
never
officially
glued
15
to your
years
shoes.
Feels so weird to say that.
When
I'm
my
gonna
mind
just
was
keep
consumed, but
assuming
the
that I'm
sun
14.
coming out now. Clouds
But
start to
yeah,
move.
15, whatever. It's just a
Don't
number.
tell me nothing but
But
the truth.
like I said, I haven't
tired,
really
I
shown
don't
you
got a
guys
spare
much of my
second.
work process. So I've been
When I lose,
generating
when I
this
lose.
right now.
I don't keep
We're on the
counting,
30th
checking.
for cold calling public businesses. So that's like med spas, pressure washing businesses. So we're just doing that. I'm looking into some more niches. And the thing is, I want to get it in a local radius, not like somewhere in like Oklahoma. So on this Notion page right here, I have a crazy long list of niches that I should reach out to. So right now we're doing kitchen renovations. We did health. We did plumbing. We did landscaping. So all right, boys, just about to head out to the gym. Go to my friend's house so that we can go together.
'Cause I see them. Because I see them.
See, now this is what real winter is like. When you have ice spots where you can slide, that's what real winter is. What's up, guys? Today is January 21st. Also my brother's birthday. Yeah, kind of weird. My birthday is on 19th. My brother is on 21st. He's turning 11 now. Kind of crazy to see that he's already 11. I could not believe it when he was 10, but can't believe it even more.
This will kill you.
I probably saved myself from falling at least 15 times already. Just look. 15 times. I'm just gonna record myself now and see if I can catch one of my close calls. Beautiful, so. But it is a little dangerous, I should say. Bro. You cannot believe what he got. So that's my close friend, Chris. Got me a little birthday gift card. So let's see. Chipotle.
That's the funniest thing ever. This will come true. Maybe. Whatever. It's very funny, of course. Not 5 minutes, a lifelong conversation. So just correcting that when I have this.
Bless.
So guys, I think it has been around 2 days since I last recorded a video on this road. So yesterday was my brother's birthday, his 11th birthday, if I didn't tell you guys already. So weird. I'm turning 15, he's turning 11. Very, very interesting. But I've been looking into some Christmas gifts. No. So I've been looking into some birthday presents for him. And right now, I am the most proud brother in the world because I mean, like, although he is very interesting at sometimes, he wants a present that isn't related to 11-year-old things. Like, he wants like a cold plunge. He wants, you know, like incense, like those things, you know. Like he wants, he got a pull-up bar for his last birthday. He wants resistance bands so you can do a pull-up. He wants like push-ups, like those push-up handles. He wants those. So you can't ever imagine how proud I am as a brother, because certainly when I was 11. I never had those, and I never wanted those. When I was 11, I got, Robux? I got, like, mice, gaming mice, headsets, keyboards, all that. But he wants the most simple, long-term presents. And what I mean is, like, literally pull-up bars. Like, that's exactly it, you know? That's something that no 11-year-old would have the mental capacity to process, that they need a pull-up bar. Quite frankly, he got it when he was 10. So he wanted a pull-up bar when he was 10, and I use it the most. And now he wants to do pull-up, right? So I've been teaching him how, what these muscles are, like, everything, right? And I'm so proud. He wants resistance bands, I'll get him that. He wants push-up handles, I'll get him that. It's not about the price, it's about the thinking behind it. Even if he wants an ice plunge, like a cold plunge, 200, 150, sure, I'll get it. Why? Because first, I can use it too, but the most important thing is he is realizing that Roblox isn't everything. And it is literally nothing. Those Roblox developers who make millions a month, good for them. But for someone like me, who has a brother, Roblox literally means killing your life. At a young age, like 11 years old, 10 years old, 9 years old, Roblox is fine to have. But my view on it, for people who are still playing at 15 years old, you are either mentally ill or you have some social issues. At least instead of buying Robux, please just go outside and walk. You can't think of anything else worse than being stuck inside, purposely putting yourself in a room for 2-3 hours on end, not thinking about anything else but playing a game that was made by a 30-year-old guy who's making millions a month. Doesn't that spark something in your brain? Clearly, for most people, it doesn't. So my little message is just that. So I'm just trying to tell you this. So I'm just trying to tell you guys is how proud I am of my brother for making the decision, or kind of realizing that Roblox is not everything. Brawl Stars is one thing, Roblox is a second. Like, there's so many distractions in the world right now. But he's focusing, I can tell, he's focusing on the right thing. Literally at the earliest time he can possibly do it. And I'm telling you, he's gonna become more successful than me. You can literally tell his future. So he has no interest in business or starting an agency or running a clothing brand, but he has an interest in self-improvement. And when I finally show him what is possible, and when I finally show him what is possible, I promise you, he will do the exact same, and if not better than me, because of how early he started. He's already trying to improve his life at 11 years old. He got a pull-up bar when he was 10. There's no other factors that you would ask for an 11-year-old to have. This is literally all a personal trainer would want from an 11-year-old. This is the absolute maximum he can do. And he's doing it quite well, actually. So I'm very proud. Just now, it's time for me to shine, show him what is possible, tell him the way, pave the path, and just let him drive straight through. That is pretty cool. I gotta say, I didn't know there was one until I saw it. I actually never saw it before. It's kind of crazy how that's just floating on the window. I mean, like, it's sucking onto the window, but like, still, you get my point. Very interesting. Surprising how I never found those. Because I never seen those before online. That probably means they're not running ads, and that probably means I should reach out to them. Alright guys, another Friday. Today at 4:30, I'm going to be going to Chase at my local plaza, downtown. I don't know what to call it, but we call it Closer Plaza, so I'm gonna go there to open a business bank account, or at least to attempt to open a checking account. So the thing is, I'm a minor still, so I need a co-signer, which is my parents, so my dad's gonna be the co-signer. I'm not sure how it's gonna play out today. The best thing that will happen is me getting accepted for it. The worst thing is leaving without anything. So we're gonna go home and print out all our documents, get our SSN, get our passports, everything ready, so we can have the best chance at getting this checking account.